Let's in fact go across to our reporters. We have Harish and Bhavtosh joining us on the broadcast with more details on the legal angle. To Harish first. Harish, can you help us understand what transpired in court today and how Arvind Kejriwal managed to get interim bail? It is till the 1st of June. On the 2nd, he'll have to surrender, go back to the prison.
Yes, that's right, Swati. At the outset itself, in fact, the hearing itself lasted hardly 2 minutes. At the outset, Justice Sanjeev Khanna said that we have decided to grant interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal, the petitioner in this case, for campaigning, so he can campaign. And in fact, he has to, the bail has been given till June 1st, and he has to surrender on June 2nd. Remember, during the hearing, the Supreme Court had taken into consideration that he is an elected representative and he is the national convener of the Aam Aadmi Party and also the chief minister. So in view of the elections, in fact, also that because of that, he has no criminal antecedents, he is not an habitual offender, and these are extraordinary circumstances. And considering these facts, the Supreme Court decided that, and also the fact that in fact he had not sought bail, but he had sought caution of his arrest. It will be a lengthy hearing. So, and also Supreme Court is going for summer vacations, is closing on 18th and will reopen only on July 2nd week. So taking these facts into consideration, the Supreme Court said that he is entitled to interim bail. And but during the hearing, the Supreme Court had said that a condition will be imposed that he cannot sign official files, he cannot discharge official duties on grounds of propriety, ethics, and in fact, and also to ensure that there is no conflict of interest. So we'll have to wait and watch whether these conditions remain. That will be only known once the Supreme Court bench of Justices Sanjeev Khanna and Dipakar Datta uploads this particular order on the Supreme Court website. So we'll have to wait and watch whether there are any conditions imposed while the Supreme Court has granted interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal.
Right, Harish, stay on with us. Let me also bring in Bhavtosh. This is an interim bail. The AAP is calling it a big win, Bhavtosh, but this is not a clean chit. Also, the ED had expressed concerns that, this perhaps will incentivize criminals to become politicians.
Well, Swati, as far as the case is concerned, the trouble continues to mount for Arvind Kejriwal and for Aam Aadmi Party, because it's more or less clear that, or in fact confirmed that the Enforcement Directorate will be filing its charge sheet or a prosecution complaint against Arvind Kejriwal, K. Kavita, and also against the party in next few days. It could be as early as 15th of May, and making Aam Aadmi Party an accused in the PMLA case or money laundering case would be for the first time that a political party is being made an accused. Now, why they are being made an accused is because the ED investigation is now complete as far as the alleged excise scam is concerned. ED suspect that the party, through its national convener and founding member Manish Sisodia, had taken alleged payoffs, kickbacks worth at least 100 crore rupees, of which 45 crore rupees was used in the Goa Assembly campaign. Though Aam Aadmi Party as well as Delhi Chief Minister have denied this, but because ED has said that they have virtually wrapped up their investigation, they have to present their case before the trial court before May 15th. They will be presenting their status report or their supplementary prosecution complaint in the court. So one can expect this to happen in next few days. It could be as early as tomorrow or by the first few days of next week. So even as Aam Aadmi Party is rejoicing the interim relief that has been given to Arvind Kejriwal, it is far from over.
Trouble is not over. This is not a clean chit. It's an interim bail given to Arvind Kejriwal. The Aam Aadmi Party, in fact, is calling it a big win. Stay on with us, Bhavtosh and Hari.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स, टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.